winner of the JIS Heritage Essay Competition is...
Hold on, not just yet. Before the announcement, the highlights. The long-awaited JIS Heritage Essay Competition Awards ceremony was held recently in the beautiful ballroom at King's House. The air was mixed with anticipation as teachers, parents, students and contestants waited to see who would be named the winner.
Given the keenness of the competition, selecting the winner was quite a challenge. First, we had to ensure that the grading process was fair, uniform and objective. Not only did we utilize experienced markers, but to ensure that the students and schools could not be recognized by name, they were assigned numbers during the marking exercise to include second marking and re-verification of our scores.
50 years or even a millennium later, Jamaica still needs national heroes to preserve our cultural legacy, represent our identity, and shape our future.
It was obvious that the students worked hard on their essays as the pieces in general showcased reasoning, incisiveness, and creativity, far surpassing the thought patterns of any 9, 10, 11, or 12-year-old mind.
No matter how future and progress-oriented we get, we must take time to reflect on the past.
I want to congratulate the Jamaica Information Service on the excellent way in which you have involved the students in the commemoration of our Golden Jubilee. You have focused young minds on their country's history and heritage, which helps them to reflect on the relevance of their heritage. This is important as it is at the primary and our prep school level that we have to start engaging our young people's minds and to build a sense of loyalty and patriotism in our children.
I will never leave our shores, I will never run away. I will always believe in the black, the green, the gold, I say. Our nation's greater than our trials, we must face the test of time. As our people, they are strong and we are going to get along. Though some people say we are poor, but the progress you make, my friend, is not always the rich you are.
The top award recipients were presented with certificates and goodies from Jamaica National Building Society. And members of the audience were also included as they were duly rewarded for their knowledge on the JIS and the country's history. However, it was the top 3 who walked away with the coveted prizes. Second place in the competition went to 9-year-old Joseph Snowball of Foundation Preparatory School in Clarendon, while 11-year-old student of Inverness Primary and Infant School in St. Anne, Johnny Lee Gardner, placed 3rd. And now,
the winner of the JIS Heritage Essay Competition is Toni-Ann Williams from Mount Alvernia Preparatory and Kindergarten in St. James.
Toni-Ann also took the sectional prizes for Best Entry in the 11-year-old category, Best Researched Entry, and Most Creative Entry. She won a weekend for 4 at Franklin D Resort, a book voucher from Sangster's Bookstore, a printer from Royal Computers and Accessories, a gift basket courtesy of Lasco Distributors, a desktop computer sponsored by Lime, and the winning trophy and $10,000 in cash from the JIS.
I'm excited. I'm so happy and enthused that I won. All my hard work paid off. I'm just excited.
I must congratulate the Jamaica Information Service for doing what you do. You know, you're the voice of Jamaica and we invite you to continue to doing all of what you're doing, especially in involving yourselves in the lives of our children.
Yeah, I think the JIS competition is a brilliant idea because actually it will help the children to learn about their history and also to appreciate those who have helped to shape this country.
Both years were great and I trust that it will continue and I trust that we will be able to support you as we have been doing with all events, as concerning children.
It's definitely bigger and better, and we're very pleased to be associated with it.
This is a good idea for the growth and development of our children and our future.
Thank you so much for allowing me to enter this competition. I've learned so much about my heritage since.
The JIS Heritage Essay Competition is a continuation of a thrust by the company to engage children in the thought processes towards nation building and to familiarize them with the work of the agency. This year's question was deliberate to mark Jamaica's Golden Jubilee. The competition is open to any registered primary or preparatory school level student in Jamaica, aged 9 to 12, from July to October. Look out for next year's staging, which will coincide with the 50th anniversary of the JIS.